So it's 8 o'clock in the morning and we're in the south of Bulgaria. We've parked up for the night at a thermal spa and there's a river next to it as well. So I'm gonna walk up the river and there's a couple of waterfalls a kilometre or two up. Should be good. So I think this is meant to be one of the waterfalls. I saw it on Google and it looked like it had a lot more water flying down it, but right now there's just a very small amount of water flying down it, so I'm not sure if it's the time of day or the time of year, but hopefully some of the other waterfalls are running a bit more. A few things to watch out for. There's snakes, bears, wolves, otters. I'm not sure what that is. Maybe like a deer, and maybe a lynx, or just a household cat. They're hard to tell apart. All the rubbish bins have been ripped apart. There's rubbish all around them, so I take it some critters have gotten into there. Such a beautiful river walk, just walking on this little platform above the river. We've been to many of these in Austria and other places, but they always charge like 10-20 euros kind of thing. This is free, extremely well kept. It's a beautiful spot. So as we were driving around Bulgaria, we found that it's not very populated. There's a lot of houses in some places, a lot of abandoned buildings as well, but a lot of big cities that just there's not many people walking around or driving around. So I had a quick look into the population just on Wikipedia, and it seems like the economic recession hit really hard here. The population was about 8 million before 2000, and then after 2005 the population had dropped by 1 million people. So 1 in 8 people had left, and mainly young adults. The households are another interesting thing. The birth rate here for every woman only births at around 1.47 children. So the population here is actually declining because of that as well. Around a third of households also only have one person living in them. And 75% of families don't have anyone under the age of 16. So just got up to this amazing lookout point, and I might fly my new toy. Now back in your home. Heading back down the path to the river again. Check out this amazing thing on Google Translate. It can even do signs to say waterfall. This way is steep, but it's only meant to be 400 meters, and then we get to see the waterfall. It's a waterfall. So now it's about 10:30. I've found 2 of the waterfalls. Haven't been able to find the 3rd one, but I think they'd also be more impressive in winter, spring kind of thing, if there's snow on the mountains, mounting and coming down as well. They're a bit dry right now at the end of summer. So head back to the van, get some breakfast, because I'm hungry. Like 11:15 now, and I still got another quarter of an hour to get out of here before I get to the van, so I'm starting to jog a little bit of it because we still got another place, I think Dyavolsko Cave, which is just a little bit further south of here, still in Bulgaria, and we wanted to go check that out today. Scariest road I've ever been on. It is so steep. So there's just the entrance of the cave. Just a hole in the middle of a massive wall of rock. So we're in the cave now, we're going on a tour. The tours run every hour, they're in Bulgarian, but I got a little handout beforehand to say what they're talking about. The cave's very cold in here. Lucky I put a jumper on the backpack. It's quite deep down there. Coming down more stairs. Wow, this is huge, it's so otherworldly. The river that I'm guessing made these caverns. There's the underground waterfall. Climbing up lots and lots of steep stairs all the way to the top. The stairs are very small here, very steep, you definitely have to hold on. It's amazing how much of the rock that the water's carved away. Back out of the cave, into the sun and into the warmth. Now I think it's up back to the road and then walk back to the car park. So I was in the caves for about half an hour, 10-minute walk back to the van. It was 6 lev, which is about 6 NZ or about £3. It's quite worth it. It was an amazing, huge cave. even this whole area, there's just the huge mountains around it, just so beautiful.
We just spotted a cave way off in the distance.
So we just got stopped by the border police. All they wanted to do was to see our passports. We gave them our driver's license as well, and then in 30 seconds we were waved on. That was fine. Yeah.
Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.